welcome back to the channel. My name is Liz Chanel. I'm here with another Zara haul. You know, fall is my time to shine, so I have another Zara haul even though I just filmed one last week. I read up on some more things that I felt like would go more with my essentials. I returned some of the things and felt like I got the pieces that I really wanted to keep. So I was like, let me keep you guys in the loop because these are definitely it statements. So I'm gonna show you guys all the things that I got. So we're just gonna get right into it and show you guys all the things that I got for Zara fall. Oh, we love big boxes. So yes, this is a cute thumbnail. 3 huge boxes from Zara. So I will show you guys what's in here. Should I start off with, I think we're gonna save her for last. Okay, we're gonna save her for last. We're gonna do the basics first because that's what I like to do. Okay, so I don't know if you watched the other Zara haul, but I got the Skims dupe. I got another Skims dupe. I got it in white now. I had it in black and I had it in gray, so I ended up getting the white. I just really love the quality of these shirts. Like, look how much stretch it has. This is a small. I thought it was an extra small. And they're only $10. Literally the best quality t-shirts that just go so well with everything. I don't think I'm going to be trying anything on in this haul TBH just because I just want to get quick to the point. So I'll link the things like here in the video. So I just got this. It's cute, super clean, base. I have it in black. I have it in gray. So you need to re-up on these Zara basic tees. $10. They're like the Skims dupes, so if you can't afford Skims, just get you some good quality basics. I got both of them in a small and they fit really nicely. Sometimes if you don't want to wear a bra, they just hold up everything really nice. And they're selling out very quickly, so I got it in a small. Okay, the next item is something very basic as well, but something that you do need in your closet for somebody that shops at Zara. It's very much like the staple season essential, so I'm gonna get. Okay, I got these cargos, classic gray cargos. You've probably seen them all around. They have like the pockets at the back. There's like so many variations of cargos that they came out with, but these ones fit my body a little bit better. A lot of the other ones were pretty short, so I got this in a USA 8. And it just fits really nicely, like very chill boyfriend fit, but I also really would like to pair it with some pumps. I am obsessed with this color gray for the season. If you watched my last video, you would understand. And it's just gonna look so perfect with like a basic t-shirt like I just showed you, but you could amp it up with some nice heels, or you can just wear it dressed down with some white Air Forces, some Jordan 1s, or something like that, you know, just some calm, cool, collected sneaker vibes. I feel like I'm so over tight pants. I gotta wear like loose fitting pants. So there's that. How much are they? $45.90. So, and they come in white, no, they come in like cream, green, black. They come in like so many different colors, so you pick your player at this point. So just choose which one you like the best and stick with it. So the next piece is very self-explanatory. I'm just gonna show you guys. I probably showed it in another Zara haul too. Okay, so I have this black puffer jacket or whatever. Are you from New York even? So this classic black puffer jacket that everybody and their mom has, nothing too crazy, but you really need this jacket in your collection. So last year I stayed at, I don't know what New York hotel it was, and I left it in the room when I checked out, and they said they were going to ship it to me, and basically they room service or the cleaning lady stole my jacket. So ghetto. So I was expecting them to ship it to me. They're like, oh, we didn't find it, we don't have it in the lost and found, but we have a Rolex in the lost and found, trying to like justify that their workers didn't steal my things. The DoubleTree at 42nd Street, yeah, count your days, because I should have like filed like a complaint so that they can reimburse me, but it's whatever. The jacket is everything to me. It is it says $49.95, but I'm pretty sure it's $89 on the American site, and it's $100 in the Canadian site. So you definitely need to get your hands on this. It's super cozy and warm. Like, that's why I really wanted it back, because I have it in cream, but I feel like you just need black sometimes. Like, you really need a black coat. And it just amps up all of my things in my closet. Like, it's one of my favorite coats. So I was just like annoyed that I went like a year without it, so I had to re-up on it, of course. Definitely add it into your collection. Really cropped, cute, and the thing is, it's very warm for the winter time. So if you don't really want to invest in a very expensive winter coat, this will definitely keep you warm. I'm not gonna hold you. It even kept me warm in Canada, which is like freezing cold. So I would definitely get your hands on this coat. It just elevates your style. The next item I am very excited about. It just gives me very much nostalgic feels, and I had to show you guys. Okay, so the next item are these amazing green leather pants. Like, it's giving very much Y2K, Christina Aguilera in the Dirty video. Like, look at the bottom. Like, it has a flare at the bottom. Don't talk to me. Like, these pants look, I didn't want to try it on in the store because I knew I was gonna love it. I tried it on and I was like, I need these. And the price is not that cute. It's like $70. So to really pick my poison, so I returned that like long skirt that you've seen in my other Zara haul and pick this over that, because I will wear pants. I'm more of a pants girl. I don't even wear long skirts. So I got these pants in a medium. Super cute. Like, the bum part has like that like Y2K. It just looks really good on my bum. Sorry. It just looks really good on my bum. Holds the hips really nice. I can't wait to like wear it with some like boots, some stilettos, maybe some pointed toe stilettos, a little baby t-shirt, like a vintage J'adore t-shirt, and really just like eat in these. I love them. So I got them in a size medium, and like I said, they're $69.90. So if you really wanted like a it piece, this is definitely something to get from Zara this season. Okay, last but certainly not the least, we got the box. In a box. Bringing out the big box. Let's see. I love Zara's packaging. Something about a fresh new pair of shoes. This does something to me. So, okay, this is like a live unboxing right now because I already knew what it was. Okay, so we got these gorgeous boots. Oh, these are so stunning. So black leather square toe boots, and then the heel is like that flat narrow boot. I'm starting to get so into these type of boots because it really allows me to like go out and have a hot girl night out and not worry too much. I wore the other silver ones, but I was wearing those all day, so by the time I got to the club my feet were hurting. But it's so comfortable to wear during the day if I just want to like, you know, have a hot girl moment and like, you know, wear these outside. So I got these in a 40. They zip all the way up, so they fit really good on the ankle. I have very skinny ankles, so I don't really have much luck with boots. So when I like one and I stick with one, it's definitely for a reason. So this is why I got it in the black. I probably want to get it in silver, probably want to get it in the white as well, because I'm just obsessed with like the silhouette of the boot. A great price, $89. Like, where are you gonna find really good like leather boots for $89? So definitely get your hands on these. I just love the packaging. Let me show you guys back to both of them. I don't know if it's like even necessary, but yes, we got the two boots. Okay, that was everything for my Zara part 2 haul. Please check out my last Zara haul to see all the other goodies that I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to comment, like, and subscribe so we can get to 2K. I'm loving the family that's growing so quickly, so thank you guys so much for following me on this journey, and stay tuned for the next video.